Original Willy with the machine gun, no?
Machine gun.
It's I think 30 cal machine gun, no 50 cal machine gun. This one, no, this one 30 caliber machine gun. I know this one. With this one 30 caliber machine gun. Yes, this one 30 caliber machine gun. Then we have the radio set here. This is antenna. It's all in original with all comms and guns. This is World War II Willy Jeep. The most original fish available in Northeast India. This is the details. This one siren, and this is the 4x4 system. 4x4 gears, axle lock. This one left-hand drive, obviously imported directly from US. And this one com set. And this is the most dangerous gun, 30 cal. This is the badass 30 cal gun. Yeah, this is the only one available in Northeast India. And this is with the gun also. This is a rifle and a scovel. Yeah, this one water bottle. This one rifle. Yeah, this one rifle with a real gun, real rifle. This is available in Dimapur.